Think you've seen every great tool? Think again. These 12 next-level tools are so smart, they'll completely change the way you work. Watch until the end because the number one tool is so incredible, it looks like something straight out of the future. WORX 2-in-1 Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Why buy two separate saws when one tool can handle both jobs? The WORX 2-in-1 Cordless Reciprocating Saw and Jigsaw instantly transforms from a precision jigsaw into a powerful reciprocating saw, giving you unmatched versatility on the job. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, PVC, or tackling demolition work, its cordless design and pivoting head make every cut faster and more controlled. Perfect for contractors, homeowners, and DIY enthusiasts, this innovative tool saves space, reduces costs, and proves that smart engineering can completely transform the way you work. Bosch Drill Driver. Heavy drills can quickly wear you out, especially when you're working overhead or squeezing into tight spaces. That's where the Bosch Drill Driver stands out. Its compact, lightweight design delivers impressive drilling and hammer performance without sacrificing power, making it perfect for concrete, brick, wood, and metal. Whether you're an electrician, contractor, or weekend DIYer, this tool offers the speed, precision, and control needed to tackle demanding jobs with ease. It's proof that big performance doesn't always come in a big package, and that's exactly what makes it so impressive. Dremel Blueprint Portable Saw Station. The Dremel Blueprint Portable Saw Station packs the precision of a workshop into a compact, portable design. Whether you're making straight cuts, bevels, miters, or rip cuts, its built-in laser guide helps deliver clean, accurate results every time. Perfect for DIYers, hobbyists, and home renovation projects, it handles wood, plastic, and soft metals with surprising ease. If you want professional-level accuracy without sacrificing valuable workspace, this smart cutting station is a game-changing addition to any garage or workshop. Ingco Impact Screwdriver Bits. Stripped screws and worn-out bits can turn a simple repair into a frustrating nightmare. Ingco Impact Screwdriver Bits are built from high-strength steel to withstand extreme torque, delivering a secure grip and long-lasting durability. Whether you're using an impact driver for automotive repairs, construction, or everyday DIY projects, these bits help reduce slipping while maximizing performance. Tough, reliable, and built for demanding jobs, they're the kind of upgrade that makes every screw go in faster, smoother, and with far less effort. SKIL 10 Amp Fixed Base Corded Router. If you're looking to create smooth edges, clean grooves, or professional-looking woodwork, the SKIL 10 Amp Fixed Base Corded Router is a tool worth having. Its powerful 10-amp motor, variable speed control, and soft start technology deliver precise, controlled cuts on every project. Whether you're crafting furniture, cabinets, or custom trim, this router offers the accuracy and reliability that both beginners and experienced woodworkers can appreciate. MAXXT Electric 5mm Random Orbital Sander. Achieving a flawless finish takes more than sandpaper. It takes the right tool. The MAXXT Electric 5mm Random Orbital Sander combines a powerful brushless motor with a smooth 5mm orbit to deliver fast material removal and an ultra-fine finish. Its low vibration design helps reduce hand fatigue, making long sanding sessions far more comfortable. Whether you're restoring furniture, building cabinets, or preparing surfaces for paint, this sander delivers professional quality results with impressive control. It's the kind of workshop upgrade that saves time while making every project look professionally finished. Air hammer, pulling kit, removing seized bearings, dents, bushings, or stubborn metal parts doesn't have to be a frustrating all-day job. The air hammer pulling kit transforms the power of a standard air hammer into a fast, precision pulling system that saves time and effort. Built for mechanics, body shop professionals, and serious DIY ERs, it delivers powerful impact exactly where it's needed without excessive force. Whether you're restoring vehicles or tackling heavy-duty repairs, this versatile tool makes difficult pulling jobs look surprisingly easy. Once you see it in action, you'll wonder how any workshop operates without it. AVID Power Angle Grinder. Need one grinder that can cut, grind, polish, and remove rust with confidence? The AVID Power Angle Grinder packs impressive performance into a compact design, featuring variable speed control for maximum precision on every project. Whether you're slicing through metal, smoothing welds, or tackling tough DIY repairs, it delivers the power and control professionals demand. It's one of those tools that makes difficult jobs look surprisingly easy, and once you see it in action, you'll want one in your workshop. Cordless Drill Driver Bosch. AdvancedDrill. The Bosch AdvancedDrill. Cordless drill driver proves that compact tools can deliver serious performance. Designed for effortless drilling and precision screw driving, it combines impressive power with a lightweight, ergonomic build that reduces fatigue during long projects. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing shelves, or drilling through wood, metal, and plastic, it handles every task with ease. Its cordless freedom and smooth speed control make every job faster and more efficient. Once you see how much performance fits into this compact tool, you'll understand why it's a favorite among DIY ERs and professionals alike. DEWALT Miter Saw. When precision matters, the DEWALT Miter Saw is built to deliver professional quality results every time. Designed for clean, accurate crosscuts, bevels, and miter cuts, it powers through hardwood, framing lumber, and trim with impressive ease. Its high-performance motor, smooth sliding action, and shadow-cut line system help you make fast, mistake-free cuts on every project. Whether you're a contractor or a serious DIY enthusiast, this saw combines power, accuracy, and reliability into one tool that can completely transform your workshop. GALAX PRO Cordless Sander 20 volts. Sanding doesn't have to be slow, messy, or exhausting. The GALAX PRO Cordless Sander 20 volts delivers smooth, consistent performance with the freedom of cordless operation, making it perfect for furniture restoration, woodworking, and home improvement projects. Its ergonomic grip, powerful motor, and efficient dust collection help you achieve a professional quality finish with less effort. Whether you're removing old paint or preparing surfaces for a flawless coat, this compact tool makes every project faster, cleaner, and far more satisfying. RYOBI 40 volt HP brushless jet fan blower / vacuum. Yard cleanup has never been this fast or this effortless. The RYOBI 40 volt HP brushless jet fan blower / vacuum combines powerful blowing and vacuuming into one versatile cordless tool, making leaves, grass clippings, and outdoor debris disappear in minutes. Its high-efficiency brushless motor delivers impressive airflow while maintaining longer runtime and quieter operation. Whether you're cleaning driveways, patios, or your entire backyard, this all-in-one powerhouse saves time without sacrificing performance. Once you see its speed and versatility in action, you'll never want to use a traditional rake again. Which of these next-level tools impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tech and tools you won't find anywhere else. New videos every day. Hit subscribe now because the next game-changing gadget could be your favorite.